Why does your scanner show the P2743 engine code? What does it mean? P2743 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission, fluid temperature sensor B circuit high. The P2743 engine code for indicate Powertrain Control Module (PCM) or Transmission Control Module (TCM) has detected an abnormally high voltage signal from the sensor, suggesting a sensor or circuit malfunction. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty transmission temperature sensor. Shorts or opens in the sensor wiring. Corroded or damaged electrical connectors. Faulty PCM or TCM. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Ford, Subaru, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.